In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on auto spell check for Outlook emails. Ensuring your emails are clear, professional, and free of typos is crucial, whether you're communicating with colleagues, clients, or friends. So let's dive into setting up this helpful feature in Microsoft Outlook together. First, you need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once there, you'll find the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to begin the process. You'll then be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you type in your correct email address and password. Don't forget to double check what you've entered to avoid any hiccups in signing in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Outlook dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all your emails, calendars, and contacts. Now look to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the option to create a new email. This is marked by a button labeled New Mail. Click on it to proceed. With the new email window open, your next step is to direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll find an icon represented by 3 dots. This is a crucial element that serves as a doorway to more tools and features in Outlook. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Within this drop-down menu, you need to look for an option called Editor. Once you locate it, click on Editor to access additional settings. This is where the magic of auto spell checking begins. Opening the Editor section will give you more room to personalize your email settings. Scroll down, and you'll encounter an option to customize your editor. This feature allows you to tweak the way Outlook handles your email content, including spelling and grammar checks. By customizing your editor, you enable Outlook to catch spelling errors on the fly, ensuring your emails maintain a high level of professionalism and clarity. Taking the time to set this up will make your email drafting process more efficient and error-free. That wraps up the step-by-step guide to turning on auto spell check for your Outlook emails. By following these simple steps, you'll be enhancing your email communication with ease. Remember, first impressions matter, and a well-written email can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay sharp in all your email correspondence. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more great tips on maximizing your Outlook experience.